Hi, I'm Sarah Robinson, Director of Undergraduate Advisement and Recruitment for the University at Buffalo School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences. I'm here to share with you the steps for admission to our degree programs. Let's start with the basics by answering a few common questions. What does it take to be a good pharmacist? Future pharmacy healthcare providers are successful when their personal characteristics include attention to detail and aptitude in math and science, in addition to other key areas listed on this slide. A skill set that includes strengths in written or spoken communication, the ability to work as part of a team, leadership potential, and problem-solving capabilities will also serve you well in your coursework. Don't worry if these aren't all strengths for you yet, as you'll have time to develop these skills more when you get to UB. While it's the role of the pharmacist to help sick people through direct patient care, pharmaceutical scientists help people through their work in the research lab. Students don't need a PharmD degree in order to work at a pharmaceutical company, developing new medications and improving on current ones. The pharmaceutical sciences include the study of drugs' effects on the body and the body's response to the drug, as well as the best formats for drug delivery, whether through slow-release pill versus injectable, for example, as based on how the medicine is absorbed and transported through the body. If you enjoy math as much as science and are not as interested in working with patients, this may be the right fit for you. At UB, we offer several pathways to our PharmD, including combined bachelor's or dual graduate degrees. The most direct option is our 2+4 equals 6-year early assurance program. Our most popular dual degree is the PharmD MBA with our School of Management. Our newest degree is the PharmD MS in Clinical and Translational Therapeutics, which was designed by our pharmacy practice faculty. This innovative degree is the first program of its kind to be offered in a School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences in New York State and nationally. If you have an interest in using clinical research to improve patient outcomes in the therapeutic environment, this would be a good fit for you. We also have an accelerated BS-MS in Pharmaceutical Sciences for those students considering working in pharmaceutical industry. Our 2 MS degrees in Pharmaceutical Sciences or Pharmacometrics and Personalized Pharmacotherapy are great options whether you're more interested in working in the lab with the chemistry of the drugs or with computer-based statistical modeling of medication outcomes. Students admitted to UB for pharmacy as new fall first-year students, or those considering declaring this major before the end of that first fall term, are enrolled in our 2+4 equals 6-year early assurance program. Students must earn a minimum grade of C in all college-level courses, with a 3.3 grade point average in the prerequisite courses. A 3.3 GPA is roughly a B+ average across those math and science courses. Students on track with these requirements after their first semester at UB are invited to interview. Most of our students are going to pass the interview. We offer preparation for it in the fall in collaboration with UB's Career Design Center. There are other steps students will need to meet along the way that we'll send out reminders for, such as forms to fill out. These steps don't typically disqualify students from keeping their seat in the program and are fully outlined on our website, pharmacy.buffalo.edu/EA. Early assurance candidates are not required to take the PCAT. Every student who meets the minimum program requirements will have a seat in our PharmD class, as students are not in competition with one another. Undergraduates in pharmacy and pharmaceutical sciences are assigned a dedicated advisor within the school who can make sure they know all the info they need to stay on track with their academic goals. That's me. There's many ways to stay involved with our school and other students in your major, such as choosing the pre-pharmacy living and learning community in the residence halls, joining the pre-pharmacy club, and taking the first semester elective PHM 101, Pharmacy is Right for Me. Students can also connect with our Dean Student Ambassador Peer Mentors, a network of graduate and professional students who help give firsthand insight into what it takes to be successful in our programs and in preparation for this career. Here you can see the list of math and science prerequisites for both our pre-pharmacy and pharmaceutical sciences programs. Students who attend UB as undergraduates will also complete the university's general education program, the UB curriculum. Don't worry, many of the UB curriculum requirements will overlap with your major prerequisites, so courses such as calculus, biology, and chemistry will satisfy both major and general education requirements. Transfer students, or those considering completing pharmacy prerequisites outside UB, can apply for admission to our PharmD via PharmCAS. There's no minimum GPA requirement, though students with a B average or above in math and science prerequisite subject areas are considered very competitive in the admissions review. Also, the PCAT is optional and not necessary for students whose prerequisite GPA is in that range. PharmCAS candidates must also submit 2 letters of reference as part of their application. Full details about our admission requirements through PharmCAS, including prerequisite course guidelines and advising guides, can be found at pharmacy.buffalo.edu/PharmCAS. Our PharmD curriculum is undergoing a renewal for fall 2023, pending New York State Department of Education final approval. This innovative and holistic curricular approach, grounded in 21st century societal and life experiences, will empower PharmD students to partner with Buffalo Pharmacy faculty and staff for a unique and personalized educational journey. Students will graduate prepared to serve as contemporary, compassionate, creative, and scholarly pharmacy practitioners, educators, researchers, and leaders in the advancement of the pharmacy profession. Our honors, satisfactory, unsatisfactory grading system reflects our innovative approach to education by emphasizing learning over the attainment of traditional letter grades, which empowers students to become the next generation of pharmacy leaders. Here is a small sampling of our numerous elective options offered from our school and across our academic health center partners. This provides a unique opportunity for students to take courses alongside future nurses, physicians, and public health professionals. Our innovative PharmD curriculum allows students to take what they've learned in our classrooms, labs, and simulated environments and apply this cutting-edge knowledge to real-world settings. With over 1,100 preceptors across more than 650 training sites, we offer a diverse and progressive experiential training program. Training opportunities are expansive and span a variety of clinical, community, regulatory, and research options locally, regionally, nationally, and internationally. UB is home to an academic health center, which is composed of the Jacobs School of Medicine and Biomedical Sciences, in addition to the schools of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences, Dental Medicine, Nursing, Social Work, and Public Health and Health Professions. This affords us opportunities to bring students together from these various health professional programs for interprofessional education opportunities to learn with and from one another, providing enhanced preparation for their future roles in a collaborative healthcare environment. Micro-credentials offer another opportunity to enhance your education at UB. Smaller than a minor, certificate, or degree program, micro-credentials equip learners with digital badges that future employers can interact with to see student accomplishments. In comparison to our many dual degree programs, micro-credentials can be completed without adding more years of study to your degree. Postgraduate residency training programs provide additional optional years of clinical training for advancement within the profession of pharmacy. Our PharmD students match competitively for residencies after meaningful mentorship through our Scholars Program. Over 85% of UB PharmD students have matched with their residency placement of choice, which exceeds the national match rates. If you're interested in global health, you'll find kindred spirits here, as UB Pharmacy offers multiple initiatives which expose our students to practical global health concerns, promote culturally competent healthcare, and foster the development of servant leadership in global populations locally, nationally, and internationally. Built into the PharmD program are also co-curricular opportunities in which students can put their classroom learning into action, whether through student club leadership, wellness clinics in the community, or poison prevention education in local elementary schools, just to name a few. Our 25 student organizations also offer additional opportunities for career preparation and professional networking, in addition to helping our students meet their co-curricular expectations. These many organizations represent student affiliates of regional and national pharmacy professional organizations, giving our students many opportunities to expand their professional networks. As a public school in the SUNY system, the University at Buffalo has a worldwide reputation for excellence. When cost is a deciding factor in attending college, it's hard to find a better value than UB. Our students receive a top-notch education with tuition at a fraction of the cost of a private college or university of comparable quality. Add to that scholarships and traditional financial aid, and you have an education that's as affordable as possible and an excellent value. There are great opportunities from here for you to learn more about the field. Our peer mentors are available by chat through our website to answer any questions you might have from the student perspective related to the major and beyond. Seeking out pharmacy technician jobs or shadowing and volunteering opportunities is a good idea to make sure patient care is a good fit for you. There are also many online free resources to get started learning about whether pharmacy is right for you. I highly recommend pharmacyforme.org, which is a resource created by the American Association of Colleges of Pharmacy, specifically for high school and college students to learn more about the field. Thank you again for your interest in the UB School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences. We appreciate it and encourage you to follow us on our social media channels for exciting updates and announcements. If any questions come up along the way, please send us an email and let us know how we can help you.